Charlene Joy G. Oliveros, affectionately known as Mom Cha by her students, colleagues, and friends, is an exceptional researcher, mentor, and coach at Alabat Island National High School in the Alabat District, Division of Quezon. She has made remarkable strides in advancing the field of research. Even before holding an official designation as School Research Coordinator, Charlene recognized the need to establish a robust research culture at her school. She took the initiative to lead research efforts aiming to enhance teaching and learning processes for both colleagues and students. Charlene's dedication to research excellence is evident through her pioneering work. Despite numerous challenges, she was fostering a dynamic research culture in her institution. Her published studies in peer-reviewed international journals have been widely cited and read by academicians across the globe. These contributions extend well beyond the confines of academia. The findings from her research have been adopted by schools and recognized on an international level, underscoring her significant impact. As a 7th cycle BERF grantee, Charlene addressed pressing community issues, leaving a lasting mark with her innovative solutions.
O si Father Noel Voltaire Estrada Olaya, ang lingkod pari ng parokya ng Mahal na Birhen ng Monte Carmelo dito sa Alabat, Quezon. Po, na ito, dito pumapasok ang simbahan, ano? Dahil may mga programa po ang simbahan, lalo na po ang missionary families for Christ, no? Ang mga singles for Christ na tinatawag na live pure, no? Yung pamumuhay ng malinis, pamumuhay ng chaste. So, salamat kay Ma'am Charlie sa pag-aaral na ito kasi mas lumapat, no, yung tinuturo ng salita ng Diyos. At yung mga bata ay sa tingin namin ay natulungan din sila, no, na makita ang ganda ng kanilang buhay, makita yung pag-ibig na totoo, yung authentic love, no, na nagmumula sa Diyos.
Ako si Ginang Hilda M. Marcelino, Guidance Counselor 3 ng Alabat Island National High School, and at the same time, ako po yung Adolescent Reproductive Health Coordinator. Ang programang ito na kaagapay mo, hawak kita, ay iniugnay namin sa pag-aaral na ginawa ni Binibining Charlene Joy Oliveros. Sa kanyang pag-aaral o research na may kaugnayan sa maagang pagbubuntis ng mga mag-aaral sa Alabat Island National High School at sa Alabat Island. Dito ay sa unang taon ng aming programa, meron kaming 5 nabuntis na kung saan ang lahat ng ito ngayon ay nakapagtapos na ng pag-aaral at yung iba ay patuloy na tinatapos ang kanilang pag-aaral. Malaking tulong ang pag-aaral na ginawa ng Charlene Joy Oliveros dahil ito po yung naging gabay namin kung paano namin nabuo ang programa na nagsusulong na makatulong upang ang mga mag-aaral sa Alabat Island National High School na maagang nabubuntis ay makapagtapos sa kanilang pag-aaral.
Charlene's determination and purpose inspire her peers, complementing her award-winning research excellence, invited as a guest speakers at schools within and beyond DepEd. She has showcased her work demonstrating its wide reach and significant impact on academic community. Charlene's vision led to the successful establishment of the first virtual research webinar workshops and the first research platoon, empowering colleagues to engage more deeply in research. Her unwavering dedication and commitment to excellence earned her the Outstanding Research Award at the division level in Gawat Gintong Binhi 2023.
This year's Outstanding Secondary Teacher Researcher is Charlene Joy Oliveros from Alabat Island National High School.
Inspiring her peers and leaving a significant impact on the academic landscape. Charlene Joy G. Oliveros embodies the spirit of a true trailblazer in research. Her unwavering passion, dedication to excellence, and commitment to growth and community impact have set new standards in her field. For her remarkable contribution and relentless pursuit of knowledge.